Hey, what's going on, guys? Thank you for watching. This video is going to show you how to fix your connectivity issue. If you're having your car and you start it up and your phone doesn't connect to your car, you plug it in, CarPlay doesn't work, and it's just non-responsive. If it freezes, I'm going to show you how to fix it. And here's what you need to do. You need to press and hold the power button and the seek forward button. Press and hold these for about 15 seconds until the screen completely turns off and until you see the words audio off right there. So I'm holding it and you see the stations are going, boom, entertainment off. Now the screen is off. I'm still holding it. Let go of the buttons and turn it on one more time. When you turn it on, this resets the system and it will reset everything on the system. Now maybe if you had FM AM stations saved or XM stations saved, you may have to reprogram that again, or certain backgrounds, etc. But once you do that, you'll be able to restore connectivity to your phone and restore the unit, okay? In case it freezes on you or whatever, here's how you fix it. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you have a good day.